So hi, hello everyone. So today we are coming back something so creative layers which is called like star layers. Star layer section was very clear. So something like subsection we just take. Like you can just see the horseshoe section we just took, and according to that pin to pin, point to point, we're just distributing to all the sections. In this haircut, you're going to be something different sectioning in this haircut. And each and every haircut I'm just trying to bring with something creativity, new haircuts. I think so the previous video also you people are liked it, supported very much to me. And also we are going to be reach 1k subscriber very soon. I'm happy to see you guys. Please, as much as like our channel, we are going to be launch new videos for each and everyone. And very soon we just trying to bring with academy basis classes also. I need to be get support from you guys. So that is my concern. And you can just see the subsection side basis is already distributed. Only back portions was, I think it's right section is going to be taking now. And one more section was left. It is going to be take this section. So the one section just we got released and we just cross checking it completely. That's something like basic haircuts. So before cut the hair, we can just subsections, we can just see the complete up to the basic haircuts, which is called the one length haircut is must require for any haircut. You can just try from the back. So that is necessary and mandatory for do it. So that's we're going to finish with one length haircut now. Clearly pack. Parallelly distributing to the guidelines, you can just see very much clear on this. You can just mentioned overall by comb. Now we're going to be start. So center profile we just picked exactly with the taking with opposite to the occipital bone, and rest of the hair whatever is comes we just take to the bottom guideline. Rest of the hair going to be cut. So you guys might be confused where picks guidelines at all. Simple bottom hair length, which is called like one length haircut, whatever drop down, that is primary guideline, major guidelines you can just say. Now completely distributing for us as like a triangle. Parallelly we distributing to the guidelines, and thin section we just took and just going to finish the haircut as shown. In this, as much as thin section you can just take, haircut will become neat and clean in that. So we just cross checking, and another side we just coming, and the same technique will following it up the diagonal sections. You can just see it as thin section we just pick, and just rest of the hair going to be cut. Pick from thin section as, and rest of the hair going to be chopped. So that easy to the haircut if you can practice, and you can just see the guideline holding strength and everything is clear. Now we're just checking cross check. Yeah, it's completely done well clearly. Now we'll come to the side section. We just very slightly diagonal backward. We just pick from the sectioning, slightly diagonal. Yes, according to the previous guideline. Rest of the hair going to be cut. See that? So simple the haircut techniques, tricks, easy to cut. Can just fix with after a guideline, whatever is excess hair will become, just blend them in that complete after guideline. So another side we just came and same thing will following up. So you pick the guideline and rest of the hair going to be cut. And this side I'm just taking less sections to be going to be cut with the rest of the hair. So because the end of the day my concern, everyone has to be understand and what is the guideline they took and where is the holding and the guy degrees, angles, each and everything you can just understand very clearly in these haircuts. So that is my major concern. So one more section we picked and same thing will following up. So now we come to the directly crown RC section we released and we just taking to the side bases and the side parts we just clip separated and now just picking to the center profile and we just take to the guideline from the occipital bone. See, that is my guideline and rest of the hair going to be cut. So easy to understand and distributing with exactly from the back the guidelines and completely parallelly come this haircut with sessions, and this is something different than other videos, the previous videos. I hope so in this video in the different haircutting section. And please let me know comments below this video how it is feel and complete this is creative hair techniques up to the haircuts. If you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. And for a more updated video, please be just join with our channel and just be subscribed to our channel for new updates and just more latest videos. And we just always bring with the upcoming new videos for the trendiest haircuts. My cut is finished. Now we're just going to be shake up to the natural layers. You can just see a lot of the layers, some slightly U shape from the bottoms. You can just see in it. Now we just nicely front also we release nice pop, perfect forward things and all. You can just see completely shaking to the layers and all. So now we're doing with root should blow dry. Complete we blowed up. Now almost our cut is finished, and this is the end results after the presentations. Hope you guys all are enjoyed this video. And for more updates, please stay tuned for that upcoming videos, and do share with your friends, and let me know comments below for any doubts will be there in these videos. Please follow my Insta and Facebook page also. Just some other videos also is mentioned in the description below.